Back isometric neck hold, neck flexion isometric. A back isometric neck hold, flexion, strengthens the front of your neck by resisting backward pressure without moving your head. Isometric means the muscle contracts step by step, seated or standing. 1. Neutral posture. Sit or stand tall. Shoulders relaxed. Chin slightly tucked, like making a double chin. 2. Hand placement. Place both palms on your forehead. 3. Apply resistance. Gently try to push your head forward. At the same time, use your hands to prevent movement. Your head should not move. 4. Hold. Hold for 5-10 seconds. Breathe normally. Don't hold your breath. 5. Relax. Rest 5-10 seconds. Repeat 3-5 times. Muscles working. Primary muscles. Deep cervical flexors, longus capitis and longus colli. Sternocleidomastoid, SCM. Stabilizers. Anterior scalene muscles. Upper trapezius, light stabilization. Key technique tips. Keep your spine straight, don't round shoulders. Keep pressure moderate, about 5-6-10 effort. No shaking or jerking. No pain. Stop if you feel sharp discomfort. Beginner versus advanced. Beginner, 5-second hold. Light pressure, 2-3 sets. Advanced, 10-20 second hold. Stronger pressure, 3-4 sets. Can perform lying on your back for more control. Common mistakes. Pushing too hard. Holding breath. Letting head move. Shrugging shoulders. Benefits. Improves neck stability. Helps posture, forward head correction. Reduces neck pain risk. Supports athletes. Boxing, wrestling, football. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.